Okay, the book goes in rather a roundabout way of how to say this, and they present different alternatives. But the main thing is, if I say a to the m over n, that you know that means the n goes out in front, and the m stays in with the a. That's the main thing, okay? And now you have a choice. You can think of it like this. You can say, I'm going to take the nth root of a first, and then I'm going to raise it to the m power. Or you could say, I'm going to raise the a to the m power, and then take the nth root. So, you have a choice. And we'll just do according as we think is the right thing. You can see down here that I highlighted 32 to the 1/5 power. It's a whole lot easier to take the 5th root first before I go ahead and cube it and get 8. Now I could cube 32, I could cube 32 first and get, I don't know, a lot, so many thousands. And then I would take the 5th root of that, but that sounds like that's a hard job. So let's do this down here. Now I could raise 83 to the 3rd power, 81 to the 3rd power first, but I don't. And then I could raise, I could take the 4th root after I raised it to the 3rd power. But no, I'd rather take the 4th root first. Well, what's the 4th root of 81? Let's see. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 16. It's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There's 4 of those 3's. So the 4th root of 81 is 3. And then I will raise it to the 3rd power, which is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So way easier to take the 4th root first. Again, the 2nd root, and I suppose we should write this the proper way first. We'll say 1 over 9 to the 1/2. Okay. Now we're thinking, I'm going to take the 2nd root of 9, which is 3, and then I'm going to raise it to the 1st power. Well, that's just 3, so I get 1 over 3. All right, so the negative, that just means I'm underneath. That's all that means.